Civil and Environmental Engineering, who are with us tonight. Dr. Dan Budney, who promised to tell us a little bit about the gin and dragon for the rest of us. Dr. Jorge Abad, Dr. J.S. Lynn, Dr. Julie Vandenbush, Dr. John Brigham, Dr. Tortomani, Dr. Euler, Dr. Krupa, and Dr. Harris. Oh, okay, I'm sorry I missed Dr. Willie Harper. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to introduce those members of the Civil and Environmental Engineering senior class who are with us this evening. Will the members of our senior class please approach the stage? The outstanding senior for the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering is Bradley John Harkin. Bradley is receiving a Bachelor of Science in Civil and Environmental Engineering, Bachelor of Arts in Environmental Studies, and certificates in Water Resources Engineering and International Engineering Studies. He will attend the University of California, Berkeley for graduate school next year. Bradley would like to thank his family and friends for all of the support over the years. In recognition of your achievement as an outstanding senior, we would like to present you with a plaque commemorating this honor. This year's class representative is Ryan John Moran. Ryan is the president of the student chapter of the American Society of Civil Engineers. He held an internship every summer while in the Civil and Environmental Engineering department. Ryan would like to thank his parents for all their help throughout college. Ladies and gentlemen, please hold your applause until our last student has been recognized.
Allison L. Ackerman. Allie has studied and traveled in Ecuador, Peru, Brazil, Mongolia, China, and Russia. She is the co-founder of the Pitt Triathlon Club. Allie completed a co-op with Turner Construction Company and will work for Hensel Phelps Construction Company in Washington, D.C. Michelle A. Ellensbeck. Michelle would like to thank her parents for their support and also would like to thank Miss Betty Tillman for all the things she has done for her. Michelle also finished her BA at Duquesne University in physics with minors in computer science and mathematics. Andrew Stephen Athanasiou. Andrew would like to thank his parents, Harry and Joyce, as well as his girlfriend Lena, for enduring the last 4 years and for their continuing encouragement and support. He has been an active member of the Pitt CMU Orthodox Christian Fellowship, where he played a part in hosting the National OCF College Conference East in December of 2009. Andrew has been accepted and plans to attend the Holy Cross Greek Orthodox School of Theology in September to pursue a Master's of Divinity. Danae Lachelle Brown. Danae participated in the Chile +3 study abroad program in 2008. She served as the Vice President for the National Society of Black Engineers University of Pittsburgh chapter during the 2010-2011 academic year. Danae completed research on microbial fuel cells with Dr. Harper of the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department in the summer of 2009. Janine Rose Castaldi. Janine made the Dean's List every semester of her college career. She marched in the University of Pittsburgh varsity marching band as a member of the Color Guard all 4 years of college. Janine was actively involved as a brother of Kappa Kappa Psi, Iota Beta, Kappa, and Chi Epsilon. Bradley B. Clark. Bradley received University and Michael Baker scholarships. He would like to thank his parents, family, and friends for all of their support. Jacqueline M. Etherton. Jacqueline would like to thank her parents and the University of Pittsburgh Civil Engineering faculty. She has accepted a position at GAI Consultants in Pittsburgh. William M. Thievish. Will would like to thank his mom and his twin brother who have done everything to make sure he succeeds. He will be working for Geo Solutions Incorporated after graduation as a project engineer. Will would also like to thank the rest of his family, his friends, and his girlfriend Cassie. David C. Ferrell. David is a student member of the American Society of Civil Engineers. He is also receiving a mining engineering certificate.
Harris Fetahagich. Harris would like to thank his friends and family for being there for him. He graduates summa cum laude, and Harris has accepted a position at Wilbur Smith Associates starting this summer. Samuel Ryan Gibson. Samuel had an internship with Pennsylvania Department of Transportation as an engineering science and technical intern in the construction unit. He studied abroad with the Engineering in Americas before Columbus study abroad program in Cusco first. Samuel would like to thank his parents, siblings, and friends for their advice and support throughout his college career. Rhombus James Harlock. Rhombus has achieved a cumulative GPA of 3.6 for the past 4 years. Upon graduation, he plans to work in the transportation engineering field. He would like to thank his family for support and encouragement they have given him. Brian Andrew Harpenstein. Brian finishes school with 3.6 cumulative GPA and was on Dean's List every semester. He is a member of the University of Pittsburgh Varsity Marching Band and Pep Band for 4 years. Brian was also a member of Kappa Kappa Psi and was vice president of the membership last year. Craig Brian Dufresne. Craig maintained a 3.5 GPA and was recognized as an honor student in the Swanson School of Engineering every semester. This past summer, he had an internship with the Department of Transportation, and upon graduation, intends to work full-time to obtain a master's degree. Craig would like to thank his parents, Pete and Cheryl, and his sister, Amber, who have given him support throughout his college experience. Adam N. Drudgeon. Adam has passed the fundamentals of engineering exam, progressing him towards the goal of obtaining a professional engineering license. Adam has graduated magna cum laude, and most importantly, Adam would like to thank his family and friends for supporting him throughout these past 4 years. Daniel Jeremy Kamen. Daniel would like to thank his family, friends, and professors whose time and support made this day possible. John Kazmirzak. John is expecting to graduate with the perfect 4.0 in civil and environmental engineering and has been recognized as a university scholar the past 2 years. He passed the fundamentals of engineering exam and will begin working on his structural engineer upon graduating while attending graduate school part-time. John would like to thank his parents and entire family for their never-ending support throughout the past 4 years. Nicholas Polizera. After school, Nicholas plans to start his career and continue working towards a master's degree. He passed the fundamental of engineering exam and obtained an engineering and training status. Nicholas would like to thank his parents for giving him this amazing opportunity.
Christopher J. Leonard. Christopher has been an active participant in the Robotics and Automation Society for the entirety of his undergraduate career. Christopher was involved in the startup of both the Rube Goldberg Machine Team Club and the American Society of Highway Engineers Student Chapter. Christopher wishes to express a generic, yet heartfelt, feeling of gratitude to his family and friends. Samuel George Luffy. Samuel was a 4-year starter for the University of Pittsburgh men's soccer team and was named captain for his 4th year. He will be attending graduate school at the University of Pittsburgh for civil engineering in the fall of 2011. Samuel would like to thank his friends and family, especially you, Mom and Dad. Christopher Ryan May. Christopher would like to thank his family for their help and support. He is graduating with honors. Christopher interned with PennDOT for the last 4 summers. Stephanie J. Meek. Stephanie completed 2 co-op rotations with Tetra Tech and UX. She is a 5-year member of the University of Pittsburgh Varsity Marching Band. Stephanie is also graduating with a Bachelor of Science in Psychology. Michael James Mish. Michael has graduated summa cum laude. He is a member of Chi Epsilon National Civil Engineering Honor Society. Michael would like to thank his fiancée and family for all of their encouragement and support. Lisa Jennifer Monahan. Lisa is planning to attend Los Alamos Dynamics School this summer. Lisa is also graduating with a history degree and a physics minor. She would like to thank her friends and family and give special acknowledgement to her grandparents and mother. Lindsay Marie Myers. Lindsay completed 3 co-op rotations at the City of Pittsburgh Bureau of Transportation and Engineering. She has been accepted to graduate school at the University of Pittsburgh Swanson School of Engineering for the fall semester. Lindsay would like to say thank you to her parents, as well as the other family and friends for encouraging and supporting her throughout her entire undergraduate career. Nicole Marie Piper. Nicole has been an active member of ASCE for the past 3 years and is currently student chapter treasurer and member of the Steel Bridge competition team. She was published as first author of a research paper in Chemical Physics Letters. Nicole would like to thank all of her family members, faculty, and friends for their continuing support. Michael Ryman. Michael would like to thank his mom, dad, grandma, and sister for putting up with him and always being there for him. He would like to thank his classmates for all the great memories. Upon graduating, Michael will be working in downtown Pittsburgh for the engineering firm Berkeley Research Group.
Jacob James Sangamano. Jacob is graduating with honors, and he is attending graduate school at the University of Delaware with a research assistantship to study ocean engineering. Luther Schock. Luther was on the dean's list from 2008 to 2011. He is graduating with honors, and Luther has been accepted to the University of Maine for graduate studies and is employed by the U.S. Geological Survey. David Christopher Tavares. David graduated with concentration in structural engineering. He passed the October 2010 FE and will be in EIT. David would like to thank all those who have helped him over the past 4 years. You know who you are. Ross Waltman. Ross won first place in the National Technical Writing Competition for ASC. He plans to attend graduate school in the fall, and Michael would like to thank his parents for all their support and encouragement. Parker R. Webb. Parker completed 4 co-op rotations with the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation. He completed the summer research internship with the Excel program under Dr. Harris. Parker would like to give special thanks to his parents, his mentor, Ms. Moore, and all the great faculty at the University of Pittsburgh. Paul E. Warrens. Paul is graduating cum laude with honors, and he wishes to thank his family, especially his father, for his patience and support. Matthew S. Winchell. Matthew would like to thank his mother and father for their continuing patience before, throughout, and after college. Emily Wolf. Emily served as treasurer of the Society of Women Engineers and the president of the International Association of Hydrological Environmental Research. She conducted undergraduate research for the last 3 years under the directions of Drs. Landis, Manel, Vittich, and held an internship with groundwater and environmental services. Emily would like to thank her family, friends, and faculty, and also the staff at the University of Pittsburgh for their love, guidance, and support over the last 4 years. Jennifer Nicole Zell. Jen would like to thank her family, especially her parents, Frank and Ann, for their constant love and support. She would also like to thank her friends for the amazing memories. Jen was also received an award for the 2011 American Bridge Leadership Award and the University of Pittsburgh Chapter Society of Engineers. She will be doing research for structural characteristics of bamboo this summer as part of the Mascaro Center for Sustainable Innovation, IRE's program. During this research, she will spend a month in Rio de Janeiro.
Congratulations to the civil and environmental engineers. And now we're going to do 2 programs at once. So I'm delighted